In this video, we are going to discuss how to use your dropper that comes in your Magnabond resin. A common myth among technicians using Delta Kit's windshield repair equipment is that the resin eats the dropper. However, that is not the case. What occurs is that technicians over-tighten the cap, which deteriorates the rubber bulb. Here is an example of a technician properly tightening the cap. Notice it's just snug. With merely a snug fit, the resin will not leak. Here is an example of a technician over-tightening the cap. Notice the separation between the bulb and the cap. This is going to cause the cap to leak. The dropper bulbs are actually not made of rubber. They are made of a special thermoplastic elastomer that is extremely resistant to windshield repair resins. Most rubber compounds will soften and deteriorate in windshield repair resin, but the thermoplastic elastomer that we use will not, and we have proved that fact over and over again by soaking our dropper bulbs in resin for months at a time. When they are removed from the resin, they look, feel, and perform just as they did prior to being soaked. Notice this example. Other than over-tightening, the only problem that we have had with the dropper in the 25 plus years that we've been using them is if a customer stands the bottle up in a toolbox that does not offer enough clearance when the lid is shut. In that instance, the rubber may crack by repeatedly being folded over and will of course leak. Even in a Delta Kit's toolbox, this can happen if the removable top tray is put in backwards. Notice this example. Here is an example of how to properly store your resin, with the top tray allowing the resin to be toward the front of the kit. If a technician still struggles with the resin dropper after following these procedures, then you can try the following. Magnabond is available in plastic squeeze bottles that eliminates the dropper entirely. It is also available in pre-measured one-shot syringes. A third option is to use a glass or plastic bottle with a UV-resistant syringe. All gloves do not provide the same level of protection. For example, latex and vinyl gloves, which are typically skin tone in color, offer little to no protection against many of the chemicals used in windshield repair, and they are easily permeated and degrade quickly. In contrast, nitrile gloves, which are typically blue or black in color, provide a better barrier because they offer low permeation and high resistance to chemical degradation. They also are more durable. Remember, safety first. No glove will hold up indefinitely. Change your nitrile gloves often. Also, change gloves immediately if they show signs of wear, tears, punctures, or pinholes. Never reuse a disposable glove. They are meant for one-time use only. For more information, contact Delta Kits at 800-548-8332.